Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Just 5 minutes from shopping centers and essential amenities. This 8 bedroom, 6 bathroom multi unit property located in the peaceful Stony Hill, St. Andrew community offers both convenience and investment potential. Sitting on 0.19 acres of land and spanning 4 levels, including a basement. It features 3 separate units, making it ideal for rental income or owner's occupancy with additional revenue. The top and middle floors each have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, while the lowest floor includes a spacious 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit. This property provides a great opportunity for those seeking a versatile living space in a quiet and accessible location. Call to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 120 million or US $762,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.